Hello, welcome to Amanumabe's kitchen. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare Ghana rice balls, also known as Omotuo. Let's get started.
Over here, I have 6 cups of rice, using this cup that comes with a rice cooker to measure. I have 9 cups of water with 1.5 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to turn the stove to high heat for the water to start boiling. Now that the water is boiling, we are going to lower the heat and add in our rice. Then we are going to stir to ensure that the rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan as it is cooking. Now that the water has been absorbed into the rice, we are going to stir it.
After I have stirred it, I am going to add 1 cup of water so that the rice will be soft enough and sticky. Then I am going to stir it again and leave it to cook for about 10 more minutes. After the rice has been sitting on the stove for a while, I am going to stir it to check if the rice is nice and soft and sticky. This is how you want it to look like. Next step is to take the back of a wooden spoon and pull the rice towards you, pressing it against the side of the pan. Then you're going to turn and repeat this process over and over until the rice has clumped together. After you are done, take a bag like this to divide the rice balls into sections. Well guys, this is how to prepare your own homemade Ghana rice balls from scratch. Just follow the steps and in no time you will be making it yourself. Like always, thank you for watching and God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also let me know in the comments down below what you want to learn how to cook. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Bye bye.